Model 2016 Nissan NV200 diesel 1.5 dCi Acenta van combo BERLINGO body, grey, panel van mileage 103,961 MOT, the 21st of December 2023 engine 1461 cc K9 K90 bhp, E5D transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing, it's not spinning, the engine clutch and gearbox are 100%, just needs simple turbo replacement gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, nice simple repair grin EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £6,095.